So here we have one of our extended ramps that are built for an integrated scale.
Since the scale machine is adjustable, we've also made the ramp adjustable with these jack bolts. There's one here, one located right down through this hole in the middle to support the middle, and then you have one right here on the side. If you see, you have a threaded hole here and a through hole here, and that's the same for both sides. You need to use these to adjust the ramp to the correct height of the turntable. After that, lock down the nut, and then you're going to use an anchor bolt like this to lag it into the ground. This will go through the bolt hole here, that's the through hole, and it will get drilled into the ground, tapped in, and then this will lock this down and in place. Once this is completed on both sides, the ramp will no longer be able to flex, and it will have a supporting thing into the ground. This way it will strengthen the frame of everything and then hold your weight of your pallets that you're taking on and off. If you have any other questions, just let our dealer know and we'll get back in touch with you.